Hello, my name is Sungwon Park with TA Digital System. So, let me start. First step, we introduced Quartus 2. First two step is installation, and last step is demo. First, Ultra Quartus 2 is a program which is for a digital circuit design implemented by Intel Corporation. It provides environment for VHDL and Verilog program. It easily used to use VHDL and Verilog programs. First, you enter the ultra.com. So this site redirection Intel homepage. You must sign up. Click this button. So registration is this box. So type this all over this box. So when you finish the sign up, so log in the website and left upper menu tab and click the support. Next, click the download and drivers and click the download in FPGA downloads and drivers. So now you click the select by version, and we use the version of the 13.0.0 version and download the web edition. So now we must need the Quartus 2 software and Model Ultra Edition, and need to device software Cyclone 2, Cyclone 3, Cyclone 4 device support software you need to download, and Quartus 2 help. It takes a long time, so wait a long time, and when you download it, you double click the Quartus setup web. And this window appear. Click the next. This license agreement. Check the agree and click the next. This is the directory. When you make the directory, this is the default directory, so don't touch this. And click the next. Same, don't touch anything and click the next. This is about 9 gigabytes. I recommend you rest the repository at 10 gigabytes. You need this storage. You need it. Click the next. Wait a moment. This may taking a long time. When it finished, all of a checkbox, you check the checkbox, all of this, and check the finish. So this window is up here. First button is buy the buy the Quartus 2, so we don't need to them. And add an IP license file, we don't need that. So check the 2 button, check the button 2, and click the OK button. So this is Quartus 2. And click this file button and click the new project wizard. So this window appear, and this is the where you set the project folder, and this is the name when you set it. So click the next button. Click the next button. So this is what I set the device software. Cyclone 2 and FPGA. Package name is FPGA and pin count is 672. Speed grade is 6. So we specify this selected available device. So you check the specific device selected in available device list, and 3 available devices appear. You need to check first one and click the next button. Click the next button. So this is the summary. Check this text and click the finish button. Now click the file in file tab and click the new tab. So this window is up here. You need to click VHDL file and click the OK button. So this naming is not default. The default is VHDL1 or VHD5. And this is your code box. This means we use the library IEEE, and this means I use this all to use these things. And line 6, entity demo, is what names of this VHD file. And you need to write port, and A is input port, B is input port, Y is output port. This is standard logic, and you need to remember all of this line ended by semicolon, but you need port last line, not write the semicolon. When you write the semicolon, the program occur the error. So next, use the AND keyword and type the name with semicolon. So line 14, architecture blah 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 of demo is. So this is the namespace. Whatever you, this is what you like, type this space. Just a namespace. And we start to begin. So type this logic, A and B, A or B, A and B, so whatever. And finally, type keyword and type name with semicolon. So when you finish your code, so click plus S to save. This directory means when we make project, the default directory is drive D, digital system. So this is the base directory. And type name and click the save button. So maybe this file will make. And this button is the compile button. It makes you know this code was it usable. When you type this semicolon, this program will go error. So the error message notice you the what line occurred the error. When you compile finish, this box and this box colored green, but colored red it means error occurred. So modify your code and recompile. When you compile finished, the message appear 12 warnings, but you can ignore. It doesn't matter. Okay? And you check your code was right. So click the File button and click the New button. This window is appear and click this University Program VMF. It means waveform. Click the OK button. And this window is appear. So double click this left white box and this window appear. Click the node finder. So first button is what VHD file you had. This time demo VHD appear. So list button is what nodes found. So when you click the list button, so this A input, B input, Y output is appear. So click this button, selected node set, and finally click OK button. So this A and B and Y. Why the Y? This box with X, it means it's a output node. So you can click, you can drag this area and click the 1 or 0. You can change this like that. When you click 1, like this. When you click 0, like this. And finally, You click this button with Execute Simulator. But previously, you click the Simulation tab and click Option. And default is Model Sim, but you click the Quartus 2 simulator and click OK button, and click this button. Final, click this button. So, result is this window. We use the AND logic gate. This is a truth table. Zero 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 1 0 0 1 1. So Y output is 0 0 0 1. So A and B both was 1. It means 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 0 is 0. 0 1 is 0. So that's right. 0 0 0. So we learned the Quartus 2 installation and watch the demo. So next lecture, next lab is how to solve the example with Quartus 2. Thank you.